Hello friends, how's everyone doing today? Welcome to my channel and thank you for joining me. I'm here to share some junk journal kits with you today. I put these in my shop, so I wanted to show you what I put in my shop. I've been showing you my bundles on Saturday, so this is bundle day it seems. But yeah, I'm Sherry from Turquoise Dreaming. I hope everyone's having a great day. So let's dig into these bundles. There's two of them and they're the same, but I will show you the differences. And I've got some fibers and trims and ribbon bundles to show you too. So let's get started. I put each bundle in a file folder. So I just thought these were pretty and I wanted to, put the bundles in some things. So that's what I did. And it's what they are is baby, I'm going to call them baby book bundles, but you could use them for anything. But it would be great for a new mom, a baby journal for grandma, whatever, anything like that, or to commemorate the child's birth and whatever. It doesn't have to be from birth. It could be just the child's journal, I would think. So anyway, let me show you. It's not boy or girl, it's either or. So what we have is these were inspired by my organization of my craft room actually, and I came across my baby items and I thought let me share some of these because I have too many, and I kept some for myself, and I put some in these bundles. So to start off, there's two bows here. They're like fabric bows, and that's what they look like on the back. They could just be glued down on something or clipped on something or hung on something if you want to put a string on there. And I have some things in here from a 1940s baby book that I got. It was a little bit used, and I used it in my own when I made my own Mimi's journal. So like this was in there, and when I come across the things that were in there, I will show you. But it's like a little felt patch. I thought they were so cute, so that was in there. And then here's some ribbon that you can use. I wound it around one of my journal cards that I made from a master board. So it's got colors that you could use, like blue and pink, in a baby journal. And then I've got a stamp set in each one, and they just have cute sentiments and little stamps. There's a heart and a cupcake and a little gift on this one, and swirly thing here, and just some words. So this one I never used, so that is in there. And then I have some baby cards, like baby shower card invitations. So here's two of these really pretty ones, and I just picked all these things up at thrift stores pretty much, or they may have been gifted to me, but there's no digitals or printables in here. It's all original, authentic vintage items, or things that have not been printed, just FYI. So yeah, these two really pretty. I love these colors so much. That's why I brought them home from the thrift store. Here's a vintage baby shower invitation. And all that writing room where you can make those into pockets and have writing on them. Here's some journal cards. They're 4x6. They're plain on the back, but they are colored. I think it looks like most of them are colored. Like, see the pretty colors. And then on this side, the theme is nursery rhymes. So they're little nursery rhyme journal cards. You may have seen these around before. They've been around for a while, but really cute and really pretty to decorate a journal, to write on, to make into pockets, all of the above, type of thing. There's several of those. I'll have the number of everything in my listing. And then there's two each of these pink and blue index cards. They're kind of marbled on the front and they're white on the back. And then a strip of fabric in each one that has something to do with children, or like looks like kind of like baby type, themed fabric. So this one has little trains with the little characters, little giraffes and bears and things in them. So cute, right? And it's a long strip, so you could have enough for a spine. See how long it is? You can have enough for a spine and pockets and things. So yeah, really cool. Nice long strip of that. Now you have to get it folded back up. But yeah, then I have in here some, this is from a baby shower game paper pad. So there's several sheets of this. This is a baby trivia game here. Several sheets of that, and the colors are nice, and it's got a nice frame on it. So several, so many uses for all of these things. This one's a baby shower bingo game. This is from the 1940s baby book, and it's a little church bulletin, but it's got some really neat type on here, and just, you know, it's just old paper. And then one of the, I think it was the baby calendar, which I'll show you the pages in a second, but it has a sheet of stickers in the back of it, and I just cut it in half and put half in each bundle. I only have 2 bundles, like I said, and so there are a bunch of little baby stickers that can be used to decorate a baby journal. And then I have a strip of wallpaper. So this is a train. See, here's the whole, you get the whole train here. All of these cars. Here's the caboose too. So that is fun. So that will be in there. This is an envelope from the 1940s. I put one envelope in each, different envelopes, but an envelope from the 1940s baby book in each one. And you can just, you know, alter this or whatever. It's just a nice old kind of aged, naturally distressed envelope there. I'll show you the book in a second. I put a golden book in each one, a little golden book. So here is, I put 3 different kind of like baby books in here, pages. So here's one. There's lots of pages from each one, and they're so pretty. All the little bunnies and different little animals, owls and birds and foxes. It's so pretty. And so yeah, some of those. These I took out of a spiral bound, and I left, you know, the holes here because we like to, I think that's just really pretty when you put them backwards, you know, in your, whenever, or like this when you're making a journal. So those are nice. And then the next baby book are these pages here. Several of these, again, very pretty graphics and illustrations and colors and things for a baby book pages. And then this is the calendar that I mentioned where I got the stickers. I think the stickers were in this one. And it's a blank calendar, so it doesn't have the year or the month on it, but it has all the squares on one side, and the other side then it has information, you know, where you would write things. Of course, you can write on, if this were to, you know, somebody's baby book, they could have wrote on both sides. But I think the stickers are really neat to decorate a calendar like this. And so there's several pages of that. So again, the same things are in both of these little bundles. So, you know, probably doesn't matter which one. If you want one, it doesn't matter which one you get. You're going to get pretty much the same thing. So the books are different. And this one I put my first counting book. This is the one with the little kittens here. And it's vintage and it's got some wear on it. But, you know, the back is like that. And then it's got a name written here. This is 1985, but down here it says 1957. So it should be 1957, I would think. But anyway, the pages are all nice and clean, and as far as no writing and no tears. So that is that bundle. And I'll just show you the differences really quick in this one because it's just basically the book. And let's see. Yeah. Oh, and the stamp set. Here's a stamp set for this one. It has little rainbows and a sun and the little sentiments also. And that one, I think I might have used this one, the little things right there. It looks like I might have used it. It's just that it's a different color from the other. So I might have used that one, but I only used it once if I did use it. So barely used, and none of the rest were used. You can see they don't have any color or ink on them. And then this is baby animals. This one also has some wear. And this one is 49 cents originally, and it's from no writing or tears in here, and it's from 1976. So this is another cute book. You can see all the little baby animals there, really cute, and the babies and some of the mamas probably. Oh, this one's mostly babies. Isn't that cute? Okay, so you got the bows that are the same. The fabric on this one looks like this. And this is doubled over, so it's twice as long as what you're seeing right here. And then everything else, the ribbon in this one has rainbows on it. That matches the stamp set. The ribbon in the other one was pink, blue, and white. So, like I said, baby. Or here's the patch in this one, the felt patch. So you've got the same. Everything else I think is pretty much the same. All this is the same. Here's the envelope in this one. Just an old tattered envelope from that 1940s baby book, and here's the bulletin. It even had 2 bulletins in it. Do you believe that? That's crazy, right? So I made two bundles. Look at that aged paper. Really nice. And then here's all the baby book pages, just like the other one. So, yeah. Awesome. So those are in there. When you see this video, they are in there. And so let's see what else. The little ribbon bundles and things. So I think I've got 2 of these listed, and they are the trims that I've been working with the last 2 weeks, and a couple more things that I've gotten out here for working on fall and Halloween type, crafting. So this is the black trim that I used in my Halloween journal. This is the green leaf here. Let me see. Let me show you real quick. I know it's a little bit hard in case you didn't see those on that video where I was working with them. This is the black, it's very beautiful, black trim. That's that first one there. This is the green leaf. Right here, it's really cool. Little like maple leaves or something. Isn't that pretty? So some of that. And then orange rickrack, which you can see pretty well, but there it is. And then the purple velvet is right here. It's very soft and pretty. And then I have the green eyelash, which is this one. Here's the eyelash. It's got different colors of green, so really pretty, different shades of green there, light and a darker color. And the last one is this yarn, which I still have here too. Here's the ball of yarn I took it from. It has all these pretty colors in it. I thought that was so pretty for fall. It's just like the perfect green, red, yellow, orangish. Okay, so that is that one. There's 2 of those. There's, I don't know how many I listed of this one, maybe 2 on this one. Anyway, I'll have the number in the listing of how many I put in there, but this is the trim that I had on before, the boho trim, and they all sold out, so I put a couple more in there. And there are these 1 or so inch trims that you see here, really beautiful. I'm calling them boho trims, really beautiful. And then I have a third listing for trims and things, and these are 2 eyelash trims, so you get both of these together in that listing. So it's 3 yards on each of these, and this is brown eyelash and black eyelash. Let me show you them real quick. Here's the brown eyelash. See how long the eyelashes are on that? I've been having a lot of fun with these eyelash trims this week, using them as tag toppers and kind of in clusters and things like that. And here's the black eyelash. And those really look like real eyelashes. So I can see why they call that one an eyelash, but they call all those eyelashes. So yeah, that is it. I hope you enjoyed seeing my bundles for this week. Stay tuned for my video for tomorrow. And if you want to see any of my previous videos, like where I used my baby book pages, look for my Mimi's journal videos, or I might have said baby journal, or I might have said journal with me, where I added things into my Mimi's journal. So I'll see you all later. Have a great day. Have a great weekend, and happy crafting. See you later.